Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are traveling to Vijayawada. It's around 300 kilometers from Hyderabad and it would take 5 to 6 hours with couple of breaks. We are planning to have our lunch at Hotel Viman. As the name suggests, it's a flight-based theme restaurant. We chose this place to surprise our kids. We will see about this towards the end of this video. Hope they like it, so stay tuned. Looking at the Google reviews, we could sense that the waiting time and the cost of the food has earned many disappointed customers. However, we decided to give it a try and see it for ourselves. Fortunately, we were able to reach the restaurant early and were able to get a table for 4. The ambience inside the restaurant feels just like an airplane. But it may seem a bit odd as you don't expect table and chair arrangements as in a plane, and that too with guests sitting and facing each other. As we were really hungry, we ordered the starters and the main course all at once. We also knew that it would take some time for them to serve. For starters, we ordered mixed non-veg platter. It was a Chinese dish with chicken, fish and prawns in 2 different sauce bases. The starter was delicious and we were quick to complete it. Next, we ordered chicken noodles and chicken black pepper gravy. This too was really good and the portion was fairly decent. We started getting a feeling that we can go ahead and order any Chinese dish and it would taste good. How can we leave Vijayawada without tasting their authentic Andhra biryani? So we ordered Mughlai chicken biryani. Unlike the usual Hyderabadi dum biryani, here we get the rice and the chicken masala separately. We also wanted to try some dessert as well, but sadly it was not available. Now finally to the surprise element. Here you can enter the airplane cockpit and sit in the pilot seat to get the feeling of flying an actual plane. Our kids loved this and I think it's worth the visit to this restaurant.
There are pilots. There are pilots.
Theme-based restaurants are always a bit expensive, but the experience they provide is memorable. After many years, our kids may not remember the food we had here, but will always remember the fun they had in the cockpit flying an airplane. For those who are interested in this restaurant, I am providing the menu and its prices for your reference. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Until we meet again in another interesting video, be happy and stay healthy.